Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to attach a downloadable file on Bluehost email. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to bluehost.titan.email to log into your Bluehost email account. Then click on login after filling your password. Now, first, let's create a new email. So here fill in the recipient address, the subject line, and here write your email message. And to attach a downloadable file on your Bluehost email, simply click on Attach Files. Then select the file that you want to attach on your email, on your computer, like this compressed photo. And click on send, or here I will send this email to myself. Download my photos. Click on send, message sent. And this is how my message looks like on the recipient end. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And this is how my message looks like on the recipient end. This is the attached files, and he can download it from here. As you see, it was downloaded. This is how to attach a downloadable file on your Bluehost email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.